Sancho has ever played in the Champions. He had the Champions League experience. And in the future, we want to play Champions League football. Don't you think we should keep this kind of players for the future? Or we should let Sancho go, guys? Let me hear from you. Yes. So for that matter, Dortmund want a replacement for Gittins if Chelsea sign him. And that replacement, they want Jordan Sancho. So it is two ways here. Whether Chelsea signing Gittins, yes, with a different fee, and Dortmund also come and sign Sancho with a different fee. Or they do it in a swapping way, swapping deal. Which one is the best? Guys, let me hear from you under the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, as Chelsea currently in the transfer market, searching for a striker, searching to sign as a striker, these three players' names are being mentioned internally from Chelsea. Currently, these three players are the front runners, the possible strikers Chelsea may sign for us in the summer 2025. The first striker name being mentioned currently, Jonathan David from Lille, and the second striker, Liam Delap from Ipswich Town, and the third striker, Benjamin Sesko from RB Leipzig. These are the three strikers' names being mentioned internally from Chelsea. They are the front runners. They are the comfortable leading strikers currently. Guys, so come and talk about them one after the other, the number of games they play in their various leagues, the goals they score, and the assists, yes, they give. And also, guys, Jordan Sancho to replace Gittins. Or Dortmund want Gittins replacement and they want Jordan Sancho. Is that transfer good for Chelsea? Should Chelsea take that transfer? Or should Chelsea make the deal happen? Yes. And also, Xavi Simon. Chelsea interested in this young guy. This young talented player. Not only for Chelsea. Manchester United, Arsenal, and almost all the big guns interested in this young guy. Should Chelsea go for him? We'll come and look at him also. So please watch this video till the end. And please don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and do what? Hit the subscription button for this video to do what? Reach wider audience on the what? YouTube algorithm. So please smash the like button and smash the subscription button. So let's start with the three strikers Chelsea interested to sign. And let's start with Jonathan David, Sesko and Delap. It seems we'll talk about them here enough. Yes. So guys, Chelsea interested to sign Jonathan David. Chelsea want to make Jonathan David as our striker next season onwards. He is 25 years of age. His market value currently almost 50 million. This season, he is doing well. Yes. And even previous season at Lille, he has been doing well. When it comes to scoring goals, he is good. Yes. Forget, he is a striker. He is that typical number 9. And also, he's not a versatile player, I can say. Like some strikers, they can play as attacking midfield or 11. Or this guy is just a number 9. This guy is just a typical number 9. Should Chelsea go for him? Can he come and do the job? Can he come and do the job? Can he come and score goals more than Jackson, more than Cole Palmer, more than all our attackers? Guys, Jonathan David, just interested to sign. By the way, let's look at these strikers, their goals so far this season. Yes, the season haven't ended, but let's look at their goals so far, their assists, yes, and the games they play. So, let's start with Jonathan David, or David Jonathan. This season, French League, Ligue 1, he played 25 games and scored 14 goals and gave 3 assists. Jonathan David, guys. He played 25 games, scored 14 goals, and what? Gave 3 assists. Yes, for Jonathan David, 14 goals scored this season so far. And let's come to Benjamin Sesko from RB Leipzig. This season in German League, Bundesliga, he scored 10 goals, played 26 games, and gave 5 assists. He played 26 games and scored 10 goals and gave 5 assists. That is Benjamin Sesko numbers, guys. And let's come to Delap. Yes, Liam Delap. The young Liam Delap. He played 28 games in the Premier League so far this season and scored what? 10 goals and gave what? 2 assists. He scored 10 goals, gave 2 assists, and 28 games for Liam Delap. For that matter, looking at these numbers, based on these numbers, who are you choosing for Chelsea? Among all these 3 strikers, who do you want Chelsea to go and sign, guys? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And guys, let's come and speak some reality small. Jackson 9 goals in the Premier League. Delap 10 goals in the Premier League. Sesko 10 goals in Bundesliga. And Jonathan David scored 14 goals. So, looking at these 4 strikers, I can say only Jonathan David scored enough goals more than Jackson. The rest, 1 goal different. 1 goal different. Yes. 9 goals, 10-10. So, guys, for that matter, Liam Delap, Sesko, are they not the same level with Jackson? Because even Jackson gave 5 assists. Yes, plus the 9 goals. Delap scored 10 goals, 2 assists. Sesko scored 10 goals, 5 assists. So are they not the same level as Jackson? These strikers. Maybe apart from Jonathan, as I said, 14 goals score. Because now, we don't just want a striker. We want a striker who will come and make difference. Who will come and bring difference. Who will come and we see different players from all our attackers, from all our strikers. If not that, why we should go into the market and sign a striker? If we can sign improved striker, someone who is little bit ahead of our current players. Yes. So for me, yes, Jackson is missing chances. But Charlie, when you look at the numbers, and this is the Premier League playing for Ipswich Town, RB Leipzig, or Lille, my respect to them. But playing for Chelsea, your duty is to score. Chelsea doesn't defend during games. Chelsea attack during games to win. In the Premier League, like Ipswich Town, when they come, they will sit back, counter attack. Yes, they know themselves. They don't have the resources to compete. But Chelsea, we can't sit back. We must score. So even if Delap joined Chelsea, he's not going to be experiencing the same playing style as when he was at Ipswich Town. The same as RB Leipzig and Lille. When you go to the German league, they open up. They don't defend or sit deep like the Premier League. France, the same thing. They open up. They don't sit deep like the Premier League. So guys, let me hear from you. Do you think these players, I think we have to upgrade more? From you, that is my opinion. By the way, let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes. Don't you think that these players are the same level as Jackson, Delap, and Sesko? Or what are the difference? Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about these strikers, Jonathan David, Sesko, Delap, and their comparison with Nicolas Jackson. Yes. And let's come to Jadon Sancho. Information said that Dortmund still want to bring Sancho back. They want to bring Sancho back to replace Gittins. The winger, the talented player Chelsea want to sign, Martins Gittins. So for that matter, Dortmund believe that if he leave, they want to replace him with Jadon Sancho, their former player. Should Chelsea do the replacement? Should that replacement happen? Gittins replacing Jadon Sancho or Sancho replacing Gittins? Yes. And guys, this Sancho keep or sell. We are crying for experienced players in our team. Recently, Chelsea fans, we want experienced players in this our squad. Don't you see it makes sense for Chelsea to keep Sancho because of the experience? Maybe some days we will need him. Yes, because Sancho, he has seen it a lot, more than some of these our wingers, Madueke and Ku. Yes, Sancho has been in the system before them. So for the sake of the experience, don't you think Chelsea should maintain Sancho? Guys, let me hear from you, because this is bothering my mind. Because we are crying for experienced players. As now we have one of them. We want them to go or leave. So guys, don't you think Chelsea should keep Sancho just because of his experience. Sancho has ever played in the Champions. He had the Champions League experience. And in the future, we want to play Champions League football. Don't you think we should keep this kind of players for the future? Or we should let Sancho go, guys? Let me hear from you. Yes. So for that matter, Dortmund want a replacement for Gittins if Chelsea sign him. And that replacement, they want Jordan Sancho. So it is two ways here. Whether Chelsea signing Gittins, yes, with a different fee, and Dortmund also come and sign Sancho with a different fee. Or they do it in a swapping way, swapping deal. Which one is the best? Guys, let me hear from you under the comments. And let's come to the young talented player, I think from RB Leipzig, guys. Xavi Simon. Yes, that Chelsea is monitoring him. And not only Chelsea, Manchester United, almost all Arsenal, Liverpool, almost all the big guns interested to sign this guy, Xavi Simon. And this guy, he is good. He is good. Young, talented player. I like him. His profile, super good. Yes, versatile. Yeah, he had the balance. Yes, he is good. But the issue is that when you look at the position he's playing, it's like already choke. Yes, that position is choke, congested. So that is my issue here. Even if Chelsea will sign him, can he get the playing time? When he joined Chelsea, will he get the playing time? Because that is the issue of young players. Look at all the young players that will sign because of playing time. Chukwu Emeka and co, Cesar Casade and co, Vega and co. Because of the playing time, they started complaining. So they leave. So Chelsea signing Simon, will he get the playing time? Because I think he is attacking midfielder and a winger, sometimes central midfielder. And when you look at all this position and this current Chelsea squad already occupied, now Ja Felix crying for playing time. He can't bench Kulpama. And the wing side, so many players are there. Neto and co, Madueke and co. Next season, Estavio will be joining. So that is my issue with signing these young players. And this guy, like when Chelsea sign him, he want to play. And it doesn't make sense to me when Chelsea sign him and send him out on loan. No. Because we are going to pay big monies for him. Young, talented player, so many teams interested to sign him. So this kind of players, if you are going to sign them, you have to pay exorbitant fee. So it doesn't make sense for you to pay that big money and he come, you then send him out on loan. No. You should get a chance. Yes, you should give him a chance, a position to show his talent, to showcase his talent. But guys, for me, that is my worry. His playing time when Chelsea sign him. But information said that Chelsea is monitoring him. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought. Should Chelsea go for him? Xavi Simon? Yes, guys. So, guys, these are the information from Chelsea come as we are speaking now. And please don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. And please, you can enjoy this video. Yes, I hope you like it. I know you like it. Yesterday, I gave you that video. So please click this video, enjoy it. Take care. Peace.